Kaizer Motaung was a top player for Orlando Pirates in the 1960s. But 10 years later, because of conflict disagreements inside Orlando Pirates, Kaizer formed Kaizer Chiefs Football Club. All happened yenze kanjani yonke le way. As a player Orlando Pirates in 1960s, Kaizer, nicknamed Chincha Guluva, player in Tswempu, watholwa zizicouts zase North American Soccer League, NASL. Umjida wasignwa Atlanta Chiefs yase USA. Cela nje support encane bafethu kuse 80% yenu ababukela le channel every week abasubscribe bafethu. Cela nje ekseni shaya usubscribe apha ezantsi if uqala udibana ne-channel okanye seqhela ubukela apha mara ko subscribe uzokwazi uthola ii-videos, okanye nje support encane ushaye ulike apha ezantsi. Xa ushaye ulike uYouTube kuse uzobonisa le video amanye amajida uzayibona yathanda le video ayibonisa abanye abantu. The channel ikhulu ngelo hlobo. Moja bafethu. E-America kwi-Atlanta Chiefs Kaizer waqhobosha successful umjida. Kafika isikhathi uba funeka return, funeka buyele ekhaya South Africa, and the plan yakhe was to rejoin the club yakhe Orlando Pirates. But ingxaki zazikhona izimoko, ayikhona amanzi endlini. Phakathi Orlando Pirates Kaizer wafika kukho i-tension ne-conflict kwi-members ze-club and nendlela i-club emanejwa ngayo ne-role yakhe awayefuna udlala kuyo yonke le yayisenzeka Orlando Pirates. Yayikhona nje i-ghost between i-players eziphana, i-members ne-management, nendlela i-club funeka imanejwe ngayo. Kaizer wadecide bayajonga makavaye, uthatha i-decision umjida ba makawokhe makayibethe umjida. Plan yakhe uqala i-club yakhe ngo-1970. Kaizer Chiefs was established by Kaizer Motaung. So Kaizer kwakutheni le team athi Kaizer Chiefs xa yeyibiza igama layo. Eli gama lika Kaizer ligama lakhe umjida walinikwa ngabazali bakhe. Eli gama lika Chiefs lisuka kula team umjida wayidlalela America, i-Atlanta Chiefs. As with any success story when it comes to a business ne-brands, the decision to start a football club was not the defining or golden moment for Kaizer Motaung or South African football, but the approach Kaizer had, how he wanted to run his new club. That was the defining golden moment. Kaizer, when the principles the club must follow: number one, professionalism; number two, the spirit of love and peace. And that made Kaizer Chiefs the club that it is vandag. And even today, Kaizer Chiefs isazipusha ezo principles, the professionalism, the love and peace. Vandag, Kaizer Chiefs, which is like 2025, in a 10 years since yawina i-trophy, but still Kaizer Chiefs vandag is still the biggest and most successful football club in South Africa. In terms of the trophies, and this is how success is measured, but how we get to the point of which Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest club in South African football history is in top 3, Sundowns, in a total of 34 trophies. Orlando Pirates, number 2, in a total of 35 trophies. And then at number 1, Kaizer Chiefs, to this day, 54 trophies in the history of Kaizer Chiefs. And that is what Kaizer Motaung created when he left Orlando Pirates to start the club yard, the Kaizer Chiefs. Legend. Ngale support the channel bafethu, ngicela ushaya like apha ezantsi okanye if eqala udibana nale channel ushaye subscribe. Moja.